Hello, everyone. So in this video, we're going to take a look at the DevOps and CI/CD pipeline integration functionalities available in ManageEngine PAM360 solution. So the primary objective of this integration is fairly straightforward. A lot of our customers and users use DevOps tools and CI/CD pipelines for automation scripts and for various other requirements. And these automation scripts will typically require credentials in order for them to perform their automated operations without any disruptions. The general practice is to basically hard-code the credentials within these automation scripts, which by itself is a security concern. And there is also a secondary challenge where if you change the password of that respective credential, you also have to remember to update it in all the automation scripts, because otherwise the scripts will fail. So with CI/CD integration, PAM basically brokers credentials to your automation scripts, regardless of what CI/CD or DevOps tool that you are using. So if you navigate to admin, under integrations, you will find the CI/CD platform section. So by default, you will find Jenkins, Ansible, Chef, Puppet. We have a dedicated plugin for these CI/CD platforms, and you will be able to directly integrate PAM360 with any of these CI/CD pipelines. We're also rolling out integration with Kubernetes, Docker, and a few other CI/CD solutions in the recent future. So the way it works is fairly straightforward. When you navigate to the CI/CD section, and if you click on any one of the options, it will allow you to generate an authentication token for a specific username. And so this authentication token is required because every time one of your automation script requires credential, it will request PAM360, and PAM360 will authenticate the request using this authentication token. So you generate the authentication token with an account, and the next step is to basically download our plugin. So like I said, we have a dedicated plugin available for Jenkins, Ansible, Chef, Puppet, and all of these pipelines. So you can download the plugin and add it into the Jenkins console, and then you can update the SSL certificate. So PAM360 operates with its own SSL certificate, a trusted SSL certificate. So you just take the CER file and also upload it into Jenkins. So Jenkins or any of these CI/CD pipelines basically come with a Java key store. So you just run this import command, which will import the PAM360 certificate to Jenkins. So that way Jenkins can communicate with PAM360 over TLS. And then you can enable the Jenkins plugin. And once you have done this, you will be able to basically use the integration. As you can see in this example, I have configured the resource name test and account name test, and the password of this will be programmatically fetched by my CI/CD automation scripts. And in any place I need a password, I can basically replace it with the environmental variable as passwd1. So meaning if somebody were to open my automation script, all they see will be passwd1, which will be replaced with the actual password in real time. So in runtime, when your automation script runs, it will query against PAM360. It will use TLS-based communication and encrypt the traffic. It will authenticate using the authentication token. And after that, PAM360 will release the password of the test account, which can then be used by your automation test script. So this works straightforward. And as you can see, aside from password, there are various other attributes that you can retrieve from PAM through a programmatic fashion. And it will allow you to fully automate your CI/CD pipelines and not worry about the credentials being outdated or having to manually update the credentials in many areas. So that's an overview of our CI/CD pipeline integration. And thank you for watching the video.